For pairing a new transmitter to the receivers, I need to complete the pairing process. Firstly, I will erase the memory of the receiver. I do this by pressing and holding the pair button. I press and hold the pair button for 15 seconds or until I get 2 short, sharp flashes. There we go, the short, sharp flashes. Now I can release and the whole system will be erased. To pair the transmitter to the receivers, I will pair address jumper link 1 for address jumper link 2, address jumper link 3 and address jumper link 4. This is why these address links are important. So to begin with, I will learn the first bank of outputs. I press the pair button briefly and again until I can see that on my first bank of outputs all of the LEDs are now flashing in pair mode. Now I operate the switch on the transmitter and that has now paired together the switch inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to outputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can see when I press button 1, output 1 is operating here, and button 2, and so on. So I've automatically paired the first 8 switches to the first bank. Now to pair the next bank. So now I press the pair button again. Shortly I press the pair button again and again until I get the bank of switches in pairing mode that are required to pair with. Now my next bank is flashing to show that it is in pairing mode. Again I press any button and now I have paired the second bank of switches. So now when I operate buttons 9, because the address link is set to 2, I operate button 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will operate 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. That is my first 16 buttons paired. Now I simply go to the next bank, so I press the pair button and again until my bank here is flashing all of its LEDs to show it is in pairing mode. Press any button on the transmitter again, and now I have paired the next bank. This time, in order to operate these outputs, I need to press my second bank to go to the red switch. And now when I operate button 1 with the red LED, my outputs here will operate 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And finally, I have my last bank here. So to put this into pairing mode, I press the pair button several times to select through to the last bank. Now it is flashing in pairing mode. I can press any button a couple of times, and now this has paired the last output, which are the last 8 buttons. So we can see them operating like so. And that's how you pair the transmitter. For the smaller transmitter, this must be paired with address links 1 and 3. I will explain on an email.